Hello there. Welcome to class. I'm Miss Faust. Welcome, welcome. Please make sure you have paper and a pen or pencil. Ooh, you do? Great. We have a few notes on the board back here that I need you to copy down. It's all about three words. Three words. Where, W-H-E-R-E. Were, W-E-R-E, and we're, W-E apostrophe, yes, that comma, some of you like to say comma, but it's actually the apostrophe up there, R-E. So your notes are all about those three words. We tend to have problems with those three, so we're going to look at them and check and see how we can avoid problems. Are you ready? You're ready. Oh, great. I love this. I love it. Let's get started. W-H-E-R-E. Where. We are not talking about this where. There's another word in English that sounds so much like it, but it's W-E-A-R. That is the one that has to do with clothing. Okay? For instance, you might say, did you wear your suit yesterday? W-E-A-R. He loves to wear blue socks every day. Okay. This where is a direction word. So when you're looking for something or someone, you would use where. Where is your sister? Where is my marker? Where did you put my shoes? I'm looking for the shoes. I'm looking for the marker. Oh my goodness, it's in my hand. Okay. Ooh, and there is your sister. That's what W-H-E-R-E is all about. So let's forget this one. We are not talking clothes. We are talking direction, location, place. The place of someone or something. Questions? No? Then we move on. Woo! Moving on. Were. Oh, do you remember when we talked about the verb? You have your doing, such as talking, singing, la 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 la, dancing. Oh. You're doing something. And then you have your to be verbs, what we call the state of being. Is, are, and we've got was and were. The past tense. Do you understand? So, past. Yes, were is a to be verb. It is one, excuse me, so sorry. It is one of those four. You can't were anything, just like you can't is anything. He is smart. Can you is smart something? No, you can't. They were smart. Can you were smart something? No. That's why we just call it to be, because you're just being. You're there. Okay? So, yes, it's one of those. Okay. But it is the past tense. And again, my question to you is, of which word? Is or are? Yes, are. Because were tends to be plural, more than one. You wouldn't say I were at the movies. You would probably say I was, because that would be the correct one. Okay, so were. They were unhappy with the results. That it happened back then, yesterday, 10 minutes ago, a month ago, years ago. They are not, they are unhappy. It's not happening now. It's your past tense. Does that make sense? We understand this? We understand this. Now we come to we're. Sounds so strange, doesn't it? W-E apostrophe R-E. Again, it is a contraction of what two words? Of we are. Remember, when we talk about contraction, we're taking two words and shrinking them into one. He should not go. He shouldn't go. I could not see the board. I couldn't. Same thing here. We are, shrink it, contract it. We're. Example, we're going to the store later equals we are going to the store later. So when you want to say that it's happening now, okay, it's going to, and it's more than one, of course, you're going to say we are, but if you want to shrink it, you would say what? We're going to the store. It's going to happen. It's not like this. It happened back then. Woo! 20 minutes ago. We are going. We're going. It's going to happen perhaps in a minute. Okay, does that make sense? Do you understand the difference? Okay, so if you want to say we're, as in we are, make sure you have that apostrophe between the E and the R. Otherwise, you're going to be saying we're going to the store later. We're going. What? That can't happen. You'd have to put a word in front of that. They were going. Okay? Does that make sense? Do you see the difference? Do you understand? If you have any questions, you know where I am. Shall we turn to the assignment? This is the assignment for today. It's an easy one. Please make sure that you have this down. Write a sentence for each one of these words. Where, were, we're. Write a sentence for each one. You'll have a total of 3. Please underline the words. I look for the underlining. I don't want to have to guess what I'm supposed to be looking for. I want to see, oh, where? Oh, got it, found it. Oh, here's the where, and here's the where. Okay? So again, look at my example. Or I should say examples. Look at my examples. They will help you. But I want you to be original, to be creative, imaginative. Okay? So, where is that marker? They were upset about their test results. We're struggling with this art project. See? That easy. Again, 3 sentences. One for each one of these, and each word needs to be underlined. Whoosh, just like I did. Okay? And guess what? When you're done with this assignment, please send it on off to me today. Yes, immediately. And I wish you a super day. Till next class time, ta-ta.